Welcome back to Hainin Epoxy, also known as Hainin Resin and Craft. Today's video is going to be extremely useful for anyone working with epoxy flooring, PU flooring, metallic epoxy, flake systems, 3D floors, or luxury seamless flooring. Because today we are talking about one of the most important preparation materials used before epoxy installation, Gomex Green self-leveling cement. Now, let me tell you something very important. Many people focus only on the epoxy itself. They spend time choosing colors, pigments, designs, top coats, effects, but they completely ignore the foundation underneath. And that is a huge mistake. Because no matter how expensive your epoxy is, if the floor underneath is uneven, weak, cracked, dusty, or damaged, your final result will never look professional. That's why professional installers use self-leveling systems like Gomex Green. In today's video, we're going to deeply explain what Gomex Green self-leveling cement is, why professionals use it, its advantages, how to prepare the floor, how to mix it correctly, how to apply it professionally, common beginner mistakes, drying and curing, and how it improves epoxy flooring results. And if you're serious about learning epoxy professionally, make sure you subscribe to Hainin Epoxy because this channel is all about real education, real techniques, and real-world flooring knowledge. And a huge thank you to our amazing members, George Nana, Anurag Walpur, Robert Potman. Thank you for supporting the channel and helping us continue building high-quality educational content for the epoxy community. And if you want access to upcoming members-only tutorials, advanced flooring systems, and practical epoxy projects, make sure you join the membership family. Now, let's begin. What is Gomex Green self-leveling cement? Let's start from the basics. Gomex Green is a self-leveling cement-based floor preparation material designed to create smooth surfaces, flat flooring, even substrates, professional floor foundations. Before installing epoxy flooring, PU systems, tiles, vinyl, wood flooring, decorative coatings. The reason professionals love self-leveling cement is because epoxy follows the floor underneath. If the floor has waves, dips, low spots, grinding marks, rough texture, the epoxy above it will also show those imperfections, especially with glossy epoxy floors. And that's where Gomex Green becomes very useful. It helps create a cleaner, smoother, more level surface before epoxy installation. Why self-leveling is important before epoxy? Now, this part is very important. Epoxy is highly reflective. Metallic epoxy especially reflects light strongly. That means even small floor imperfections become visible. A tiny wave on the floor may not look serious before coating, but after glossy epoxy is installed, suddenly the entire floor reflection looks uneven. Professionals understand this very well. That's why proper floor preparation is one of the biggest secrets behind luxury epoxy floors. And honestly, many epoxy failures blamed on bad epoxy are actually preparation failures. Benefits of Gomex Green self-leveling cement. Now, let's talk about the advantages. Benefit 1. Creates a smooth floor. This is the biggest benefit. Gomex Green helps eliminate small dips, uneven areas, minor surface damage, grinding marks, texture inconsistencies. This creates a better surface for epoxy flow and leveling. Benefit 2. Improves epoxy appearance. Smooth surfaces create better reflections, cleaner metallic effects, premium gloss appearance, luxury flooring results. This is extremely important for showrooms, hotels, modern homes, commercial spaces. Benefit 3. Better epoxy performance. A properly prepared floor improves adhesion, leveling, uniform thickness, durability. Professionals know preparation affects performance. Benefit 4. Saves epoxy material. Uneven floors consume more epoxy. Low spots absorb extra material. Self-leveling reduces unnecessary epoxy usage. And that saves money. Benefit 5. Faster installation process. Once the floor becomes smooth and level, Epoxy installation becomes easier and more professional, where Gomex Green can be used. Gomex Green is commonly used in homes, apartments, commercial spaces, shops, offices, showrooms, decorative flooring systems, especially before metallic epoxy, solid epoxy floors, flake systems, PU coatings, decorative seamless floors, when you should not use it. This is important. Self-leveling cement is not designed for major structural damage, moving concrete slabs, severely cracked floors, weak, unstable concrete. If the substrate is structurally damaged, repair comes first. Professionals always stabilize the structure before cosmetic leveling. Step 1. Inspecting the floor. Before application, inspect the floor carefully. Never rush this step. Check for cracks, moisture, weak concrete, dust, oil contamination, paint residues, hollow spots, slope direction. Why? Because self-leveling materials need a strong, clean foundation underneath. Step 2. Surface preparation. This is one of the most important stages. And honestly, this is where many beginners fail. Mechanical grinding. Professionals usually grind the floor before applying self-leveling cement. Grinding helps open pores, improve adhesion, remove contamination, remove weak surface layers. Without proper grinding, bonding becomes weaker. Cleaning the floor. After grinding, vacuum thoroughly. Dust is one of the biggest enemies of flooring systems. Even strong materials fail on dirty surfaces. Crack repair. Large cracks should be repaired before leveling. Why? Because cracks can transfer upward later and damage the final floor. Professionals fix the substrate first. Step 3. Primer application. Now, let's talk about primer. This step is extremely important. Never skip primer. Why primer matters? Primer helps improve bonding, reduce air release, prevent pinholes, control substrate absorption. Without primer, the concrete absorbs water unevenly from the self-leveling material. That creates bubbles, poor flow, weak bonding, surface defects. Professional tip: apply primer evenly with rollers, brushes, sprayers depending on the system, and always allow proper drying before continuing. Step 4. Mixing Gomex Green. Now, let's move into mixing. This part requires accuracy. Water ratio matters. Too much water weakens the material. Too little water prevents proper flow. Always follow manufacturer instructions carefully. Professionals measure. They don't guess. Mixing process. Use clean bucket, mechanical mixer, proper mixing paddle. Mix until the material becomes smooth, consistent, lump-free. Important warning: do not overmix aggressively. Aggressive mixing introduces air bubbles, and bubbles create surface defects later. Step 5. Pouring the material. Now comes the satisfying part: the pour. How to pour properly. Pour steadily and continuously. Professionals work methodically across the floor, usually from one side toward the exit. Why continuous flow matters? Because wet material blends better while fresh. Interrupted pouring may create visible level differences. Step 6. Spreading the material. Even though it's self-leveling, professionals still guide the material. Tools used: gauge rake, smoother, spiked roller. These tools help control thickness, improve leveling, release trapped air. The spiked roller secret. This tool is very important. Spiked rollers release trapped air from the leveling material. Without this step, air bubbles may remain trapped and later affect the epoxy finish. Step 7. Drying and curing. Now patience becomes important. Do not rush epoxy installation. Why curing matters? If the self-leveling cement still contains moisture, that moisture can destroy the epoxy system, leading to bubbles, delamination, blisters, weak bonding. Professionals respect curing times. Moisture testing. Before epoxy installation, always confirm moisture levels are acceptable. This is a professional habit. How Gomex Green improves metallic epoxy. Now, let's talk specifically about metallic epoxy, because this is where floor smoothness becomes extremely important. Metallic epoxy reflects light heavily. If the floor underneath has imperfections, the metallic movement becomes distorted. But when the substrate is smooth and level, the metallic effects look cleaner, sharper, more luxurious, more professional. Common beginner mistakes. Let's protect you from mistakes. Mistake 1. Skipping primer. This causes bonding problems and bubbles. Mistake 2. Adding too much water. This weakens the floor badly. Mistake 3. Pouring on dirty surfaces. Dust destroys adhesion. Mistake 4. Rushing the process. Professionals respect curing. Mistake 5. Ignoring moisture. Moisture destroys epoxy systems. Professional tips. Now, let me give you some professional advice. Tip 1. Control temperature. Temperature affects flow and curing speed. Tip 2. Prepare everything before mixing. Self-leveling materials work quickly. Preparation matters. Tip 3. Work with a team on large floors. One person mixes. One person pours. One person spreads. Professional coordination improves results dramatically. Tip 4. Always test small areas first, especially when using new products or unfamiliar environments. Final professional mindset. Beautiful epoxy floors begin long before epoxy is poured. They begin with preparation, surface control, leveling, cleanliness, moisture management. Professionals understand this. That's why they focus heavily on the foundation, because a luxury finish always starts underneath. Closing. At Hainin Epoxy, we don't just teach epoxy designs. We teach the complete professional flooring process from foundation to finish, because real epoxy mastery is built on knowledge, discipline, preparation, technique, and understanding materials correctly. If this video helped you, subscribe to Hainin Epoxy, like the video, share it with someone learning flooring, and if you want deeper practical tutorials and advanced professional training, join our channel membership. We are preparing exclusive members-only tutorials covering flooring systems, ocean art, wall clocks, molds, river tables, metallic effects, and many advanced epoxy techniques. And finally, if you'd like to support the channel directly, you can also send a super thanks. Your support helps us continue creating detailed educational content for epoxy artists and flooring professionals around the world. Thank you so much for watching. And remember, a professional epoxy floor always starts with a professional foundation. I'll see you in the next video.